Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhagati Sadmam Pandamoyi Savadhana Mate Jara Prasade Vai Bhavato Jam Krishna Prapti Hoi Jam Hoite Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chitete Koriya Aikyam Arana Koriho Mani Asham Shri Gurum Charane Rati Ese Uttamam Gatim Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asham चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित हो प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित हो श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु हाउ आधम जनार बंधु how much Shri Guru is Adama Janarvinda Bandhu. Shri Nityananda Ram is so much of Adama Janara Bandhu. Jaga and Madai, they did nothing, no service to Nityananda Ram, not even service. But not that they not only not gave any service, but they insulted Nityananda Ram. Jagai, Madai, Jagai, he striked on the forehead of Nityananda Ram with a pot. But Nityananda Ram is Markhaya Prem Diya. Nitai's mercy is unconditional, whether you beat me or not. Whether you beat me or not, whether you like me or not, whatever you think you can do, you do it to me, whatever, but I will give you prema. Markhaya prem diya. Dear Jiva, oh Jiva Tattva, I know how much you are suffering. So, I've decided to give you Krishna prema. I've decided to take you out of your miseries. And I have decided to give you Krishna prema. Because Nityananda Ram has decided, regardless of whatever Jiva's situation, qualification, whatever it is, with no considerations from Jiva's side, however Jiva might be, whatever the Jiva might do, because Bhagavan has decided. And Savior Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Ram has decided to give the prema for Krishna, prema for Bhagavan. This is why the Jiva gets prema for Krishna. Just because Nityananda Ram has mercifully decided, no matter what, I will give Krishna prema to the Jivas. This is our qualification. If at all this is called as our qualification, the causeless mercy of Nityananda Ram. The causeless, is there a cause here? What cause is there for Nityananda Ram to give that Krishna prema to Jagai? What cause is there? Did he offer any service? Did he offer any respect? Is Jagai qualified at all? He's not even qualified for Sukruti. He's not even qualified for Sukruti. What to speak of liberation? What to speak of Krishna prema? What does Jagai have? And nothing. So there is no reason, there is no cause to bestow this mercy on this Jiva Jagai. There is no cause. That is why causeless, but still mercy. Nityananda Ram. Mercy is something that is given without a qualification. There's no qualification, but I decide to give this to you. Is mercy. That's how everything in Bhakti is mercy for us. No qualification to touch Bhakti, to chant, to serve, to even think of Bhagavan. So many aparadhas have been performed by this jiva. No qualification, but mercy is, I know you don't have qualification, but I want to give you this. Then that is called mercy. Causeless mercy, Nityananda Ram. So that is our reason for why our bhajan is going on, why our bhajan for Bhagavan is going on, why our thought for Bhagavan is going on, why our seva for Bhagavan is going on. Causeless mercy. इतना अधम जनार बंधु है. श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु अधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना. हाँ प्रभु को हृदय दे हमोरे पादचाया. ए बिजाश कुशु त्रिभुवना. श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावना. गुरुदेव हो ये लो शरण. जय प्रभुपदम जय प्रभुपदम जय प्रभुपदम श्रील प्रभुपदम. जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. All the Vaishnavas are like desired fulfilling trees. They are dear to Bhagavan. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera pada dhuli ताहि मोर स्नान केली. तर्पण मोरा वैष्णवीर नाम. धन मोर नित्यानंदा नित्यानंदा. पति मोर गौरचंद्र. प्राणा मोर युगल किशोर. We are taken to the grooves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love. Vrindaya Tulasi Devyaya Priyaya Kesavasya cha Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha. The grooves of Vrindavana, the forests of Vrindavana. The fragrance of devotion, loving devotion everywhere. Radha Krishna Seva Pavam Ye Abhilashi. E Tomara Sharanalo Ye Taravancha Purna Hoy. Kripa Kori Koro Tare Vrindavana Vasi. Moraye Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diyovas. Nayane Hari Bosada Yugala Ruparasi. Aini Vedana Dharom Sakira Nugata Korom Sevadi Karo Diyom Koruni Chatasim. Dina Krishna Dase Hoy Eyena Mora Hoy. Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayena Basim. Nityananda Ram gives us Shri Shri Radha and Govinda. Gaurachandra teaches us the loving ways of serving Shri Shri Radha and Govinda. It's the land of divine love, where we belong, We belong to these grooves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love. We eternally belong to this place. As we speak and hear, now we belong to these grooves of Vrindavana. Yani kani cha papani brahmahatyadikani cham tani tani pranashyanti pradakshina pade pade. This is our sweet, divine, fragrant home, grooves of Vrindavana.